Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open to work on your LinkedIn profile. But if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing, and once you're done, please leave us a like and let's proceed to this guide. Now, first thing we're going to do is to log into your LinkedIn profile, and then you click on your profile and view profile. After clicking that, you are directed to this page, your profile page. And as we can see, I am already open to work. But if you are not open to work, instead of show details here, you can see get started and you can click that one. And then you click the pencil sign on the upper right, which means to edit the information. Now, here you can choose job titles. Like for instance, my job titles are customer service representative, typist, data entry assistant, virtual assistant. You can choose your own job titles. And right after that, you can choose the location types. Would you be preferring on-site jobs or remote jobs or hybrid jobs? Hybrid meaning you can go to work at home and also as well as on-site. Now for locations, I put in here United States of America, Australia. You can also put in Canada. And right after that, the start date, you can choose immediately or flexible. I choose immediately. And the types of work, depending on what work you prefer, would you prefer full-time work or a part-time work, contract, internship, or just a temporary job? You can check the list. And once you're done, here on visibility, these are actually who can see that you are open for work. So we choose recruiters only. And right after that, you click save and then showcase your strengths, add ability. In my case, I will choose no thank you. So here it is. Right after that, you're already open to work. And then I hope you have learned something from this video and thank you for watching.